One has to be careful what one takes when one goes away forever. Leonora Carrington, The Hearing Trumpet. Act 1. Arrival. 2 headlights. I wake to the sight of them. Odd because of the distinct green tint, not the usual white headlights you see around here. I spot them through the window at the end of the lane. I must have been in a kind of quasi-slumber, an after-dinner daze brought on by a full stomach and the evening heat. I blink several times, attempting to focus. There's no warning, no explanation. I can't hear the car from here. I just open my eyes and see the green lights. It's like they appeared out of nowhere, shaking me from my daze. They are brighter than most headlights, glaring from between the 2 dead trees at the end of the lane. I don't know the precise time, but it's dark. It's late. Too late for a visitor. Not that we get many of them. We don't get visitors. Never have. Not out here. I stand, stretch my arms above my head. My lower back is stiff. I pick up the open bottle of beer that's beside me, walk from my chair straight ahead several steps to the window. My shirt is unbuttoned, as it often is at this time of night. Nothing ever feels simple in this heat. Everything requires an effort. I'm waiting to see if, as I think, the car will stop, reverse back onto the road, continue on, and leave us alone, as it should. But it doesn't. The car stays where it is. The green lights are pointing my way. And then, after a long hesitation, or reluctance, or uncertainty, the car starts moving again toward the house. "You expecting anyone?" I yell to Hen. "No," she calls down from upstairs. Of course she's not. I don't know why I asked. We've never had anyone show up at this time of night. Not ever. I take a swig of beer. It's warm. I watch as the car drives all the way up to the house and pulls in beside my truck. "Well, you better come down here," I call again. "Someone's here." I hear Hen walk down the stairs and into the room. I turn around. She must have just gotten out of the shower. She's in cut-off shorts and a black tank top. Her hair is damp. She looks beautiful. Truly. I don't think she could look more like herself or any better than she does right now, like this. "Hello," I say. "Hey." Neither of us says anything else for a moment, until she breaks the silence. "I didn't know you were here. Inside, I mean. I thought you were still out in the barn." She brings her hand up to her hair, playing with it in a specific way, curling it slowly around her index finger and then straightening the hair out. It's compulsive. She does this when she's concentrating, or when she's agitated. "Someone's here," I say again. She stands there, staring at me. I don't think she's blinked. Her posture is stiff, reserved. "What?" I ask. "What is it? Are you okay?" "Yes," she replies. "It's nothing. I'm surprised someone's here." She takes a few hesitant steps towards me. She maintains more than an arm's-length distance, but is close enough now that I smell her hand cream. Coconut and something else. Mint, I think. It's a unique smell, and one I register as Hen. "Do you know anyone with a black car like that?" "No," I say. "Looks official, like government, doesn't it?" "Could be," she says. The windows are tinted. I can't see inside. "He must want something, whoever it is. They're here. They came all the way up to the house." A car door finally opens, but no one steps out. At least not right away. We wait. It feels